Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Marnelli, and if you guys are new, welcome and thank you for watching this video. So today I am doing a DIY. As you can see on the title, I wanted to share with you guys how I did some party favor bags, and it's a Chanel theme as you can see on the title, and also some Cupcakes toppers because it's my daughter's birthday next week and she's turning 13 years old. So I pretty much planned this ahead of time, you guys, and it's been a year since I started planning her 13th birthday, and she's been asking for me to do some type of Chanel theme after her name. So we've been planning this since last year, guys. I started purchasing stuff for her birthday, and I pretty much do this every year. I organize their parties, my kids' parties. I love decorating parties, you guys. It's one of my passion, doing this type of stuff, like decorating, do some party favors. I also did some type of decorating when I was pregnant with Gael. So I pretty much organized, my own party. So this is what I like, you guys. So yeah, so we started planning it since last year for her 13th birthday, which is this year supposedly, but because of this pandemic issues that we're facing right now, so we just had to cancel everything, pretty much inviting people. But that doesn't mean that we're not gonna be doing a special birthday for her birthday if that makes sense. So, and I want to make sure that I show my kids that they're always special, like even if it's not their birthday. So I pretty much wanted to show them that they're always special. But because, like I said, she's been asking and requesting to do a Chanel theme, this is what she wants to do. So I just pretty much would like to continue at least like decorating some stuff for her birthday next week. I'm so sorry, I can't speak. So I wanted to at least do something at home, even if it's just gonna be 5 of us, my husband, her, and the 2 boys. So I wanted to decorate at least a small decorations at home for her 13th birthday. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I did the party favor bags, the Chanel theme party favor bags, and also the Cupcakes toppers. I just pretty much ordered the cupcakes for her birthday, and also her cake is gonna be Chanel theme. So she doesn't know that yet, that I ordered her the cake and it's the Chanel theme cake. So I am super excited. I'm actually gonna be vlogging that for you guys so you can see it, but I'm gonna be showing you how I did the party favor bags and the cupcake toppers. So if you guys wanted to see all that, please keep on watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this DIY party favor bags and the cupcake toppers. Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Okay guys, so I have everything ready, but I pretty much did some last night, the party favor bags and the cupcake toppers. So this is how the cupcake topper look like, and this is how the bag looks like. It's super cute, you guys. I don't know, but I'm just like driven to this type of decoration. So, but I hope this video will help you guys if you wanted to do a DIY or a specific theme for your party. You can actually do this kind of stuff. I did not purchase any of this material, but I just bought the bags, and I actually bought it from the Dollar Tree. And the bags comes with 3 bags, and this is how it looks like. So it comes with 3 bags, and I purchased, I think, 12 of them. So yeah, so I pretty much printed everything. I googled the logo, Chanel logo, and this is how it looks like. So I printed multiple so I kind of like copy and paste basically. I mean, if you guys use a computer, so you know what exactly I'm trying to say. But I printed everything, and also same thing for the party favor bag. And I already pre-cut everything just to have everything ready. So this is the Chanel logo for the bag, and for the cupcake topper. So the materials that you just need for this DIY party favors and cupcake toppers, I just have my tape and my glue and of course my scissors. And of course for the cupcake toppers, you will be needing a toothpick sticks right here. So I have everything ready, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. It's pretty straightforward. Everything are so easy to make. I'm pretty sure everybody can do this type of DIY. It's nothing fancy, you guys. So as you can see, you can still see the tape at the back of the logo, because like I said, it's not too fancy, you guys. It's just a dinner, and I just wanted to do this type of decoration for Chanel's birthday. So what I did for the cupcake toppers, I pretty much cut a small size of a tape like this, and then I just pretty much like tape the back of the paper logo like this, as you can see, and just tape it like in the middle, you guys, like that. It's so simple, you guys. Let me know what you think about this type of DIY. Comment below. But that's pretty much it. And if you want to double tape it, you can actually do that as well, so it's more stable. So you can add another tape. So add another tape, a small size, and you can just pretty much tape the other way around like this, you guys. And the reason why I didn't add like two-sided of it, because it's not too fancy. I mean, it's just gonna show like this on the cupcake, so it's just a waste, if you're just gonna be doing like two-sided. But like I said, it's just a DIY, you guys, and I'm pretty sure once you decorate everything and this will show like you already insert on top of the cupcake, I'm pretty sure it will look good, because I've been doing this for parties, you guys, for my kids' parties, and I can guarantee it will look nice on your cupcakes, you guys. So it doesn't really matter if it's two-sided. So yeah, so this is the cupcake topper and you're good to go. It's all done, you guys. So that's pretty much it, and I have to finish this. So that's for the cupcake toppers, you guys. So we're gonna move on to the party favor bag. So this is how it looks like, you guys, and all you need is, of course, let me just put this aside. So of course I pre-cut everything already for you guys so you can see it, but I just pretty much printed everything. So this is the one that we're gonna be sticking on the bag. So this is the bag. So I just pretty much put some glue. I'll just open this for you guys. Okay, so you just have to apply the glue at the back of the printed logo. So simple, you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys can do this. So hopefully this will help you do your party favors. So I pretty much applied all the glue. Then you can just stick it on top of the bag like this. See that, you guys? So you just have to stick it on top of the bag. So yeah, that's so easy, you guys. And let me just open it. Okay, guys, so I'm pretty much done. I'm just missing 7 bags for the party favor bags, and for the cupcake toppers I'm just missing, I think, 4. So this is the finished product, you guys, It's super easy. Anyone can do this type of DIY, you guys. Let me know what you think about it. But this is super easy, pretty straightforward. Nothing too fancy. You don't have to purchase a lot of stuff or material. You just have to have a printer. If you're able to print this type of logo, you can just Google it. But let me know what you think about this DIY, you guys. I'm super excited to decorate my daughter's 13th birthday next week, and I promise you I will be vlogging that for you guys so you can see it. But let me know about this DIY for the party favor bags and the cupcake toppers. Comment below, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell for my new uploaded videos. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, you guys.